Hi, I'm Kevin Castaneda, and this is Kev's Mindset, where we talk everything finance, investing, mindset, and productivity. Today, we're going to be talking about how I am planning on getting 100% return in the stock market this year. You heard that right, 100%. So I know this sounds kind of wild, and a lot of people probably think, oh, this guy's crazy, and they're not going to continue to watch the video. But for those of you who are interested and who think and who want these same returns yourself, don't take this as financial advice. I'm going to outline my plan, what I'm investing in, why I'm investing in it, and how and why and how it's going to gain 100% for me as a total portfolio this year. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned, leave a like because this is going to be a great video, and subscribe if you are new. So let's hop right into the video right now. So we're going to talk about my top picks. Now basically my portfolio is comprised. There we go. My portfolio is comprised of 3 stocks. It's CCIB or Lucid Motors, Tesla, and Coinbase. Now, I know a lot of people like to be more diversified than this, but for my specific goals of gaining 100% this year, I'm fine with taking on that bit of risk because I do know that there's many catalysts coming for Lucid Motors, and I'm not going to sell when it's down. I'm down like 15% or something right now. I'm fine with it. You just keep buying the dips on high conviction stocks. Don't go on GameStop and keep buying the dips. Go on stocks that you love, stocks that you have high conviction in and reason for the high conviction, and then go and buy the dips on all those stocks. And I don't promise you anything, but I know that I'm gonna make money this way because if you could double down on things that you love, you should do that, and you should be doing that. Why am I gonna go buy AT&T stock to be more diversified and get my dividends when I'm gonna get 7% dividends on a smaller position as opposed to my whole portfolio gaining a bunch more? You know, obviously a lot of people like the investing for dividends approach. However, for me, that's not quite it. So let's keep going. So those are my 3 positions that I'm gonna be using to propel me to 100% return this year, more than 100% potentially, because let's go first into talking about Lucid. Okay, so Lucid's an interesting one because Lucid's still a SPAC and it's merging with CCIB, and I think just from them merging and Lucid finally changing the ticker, and when the cars started getting on the road, which is this summer, it's gonna blow up. I think in the summer it's gonna be in the 60s, right? And maybe 50s, 60s, maybe even the low 40s for a little bit until it starts picking up pace. But I think it's an easy 40 plus stock by mid-summer, maybe end of summer, depending on when they start production. But the stock's not gonna sit still. Right now it's down. So this is when you buy. This isn't when you cry about it and you say, oh, I wish it was up, oh, I'm losing money. No, you just buy more and you see how, like, if your conviction's that great, then you would just buy more. So right now is a great time to buy some CCIV stock or Lucid Motors. They're at a big dip. They have many catalysts to come. They're only at about a $30 billion valuation when you buy them at the $20 price. And it's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. Lucid Motors is worth way more than $30 billion. But, you know, people selling off, you know, hedge funds shorting, all this happened. I'm not going to blame it on anyone. In fact, thank you. It's buying opportunities. But yeah, that's CCIB. I'm guessing that on CCIB, I'm going to get like a 250% return this year. Like, easy. If it gets $100, from 20 to 40, 40 to 80, and then from 80 to 100, that's like a 220% return. And I think it's going to be very easy for Lucid Motors to hit around $100 per share by the end of the year. Now we're going to move on to Tesla and why Tesla's one of my next picks. So Tesla, we all know and love. Tesla is a great company they're probably going to sell around 1 million cars this year. That's what Elon Musk said. He said that they're expecting to sell around 1 million cars, and analyst expectations are around 900 and a little lower, some 850, some 800s. And personally, I think they're gonna beat that million mark. I think maybe 1.5, not 1.5, 1.05, maybe 1.1, 1.2, you know, anywhere around there. But they're gonna beat earnings. Maybe not this quarter, maybe not definitely this quarter. Actually, I think they're gonna beat earnings. However, as we keep progressing, I think that they're gonna do very well as a car company, and they're not even a car company, they're a tech company. And everything's about tech with Tesla, and they're gonna keep innovating, keep making crazy cars, keep making things like, you know how the boring company's doing all the holes for them, and Las Vegas, they already have the tunnels. There's gonna be more of that. There's gonna be more Tesla adopters. If they could sell 1 million cars this year, that means they'll have about 2.5 million cars on the road, and that's a big deal. As they keep getting more and more cars on the road, Tesla's gonna expand, and they're gonna be a massive company one day. They already are a massive company, but they're gonna be much bigger than you could ever imagine. So Tesla not selling any shares, and I'm gonna keep buying in. And now we're gonna move on to the third, which is Coinbase. So for Coinbase, I love Coinbase. I don't want to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum yet. I probably will. I bought a little on this dip for 53,000, and then I sold it at the 50 when it went back up to 57,000. You know, I'm just trying to play that. So I'm not holding any crypto long term, but I am going to be holding Coinbase long term, which is going to be my alternative to crypto. It's going to be my way to get into crypto without having to buy the direct asset. And it's going to be a great company one day. I mean, they're already a great company. $1 billion in revenue last year with 30% net margin, 30% net margin. They made around the $300 million last year. That's insane. If you ask me, that's insane. Okay, so definitely love Coinbase, and I love the potential that the stock's gonna have. You know, it dipped right after IPO. I'm just buying up these dips at the 300s, 310s, 320s, and when it's at 600 and everyone's crying about the dips at the 300s, I'll be laughing. I think with Tesla, I forgot to talk about the percentage gain that I think Tesla's gonna have. I think Tesla might see like a 30% gain this year, maybe even more, maybe even ends up at 1,000. But Coinbase is gonna be amazing. I think I'm expecting like at least a 50% gain, going to like 450, but I'm expecting more of a 100% gain. You know, I think Coinbase is gonna be amazing. So those are my top 3 stock picks, and that's my entire portfolio. It's just those 3 stocks, just to clarify that. And so now let's go on to the outro. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and those 3 stocks interest you. And if they do interest you, you can do your own research, or you can watch my videos on them, as I did talk about Coinbase, I talked about Lucid, I talked about Tesla. And so if you are interested in them and you want a little more information, you can watch my videos, or you can watch my in-depth stock review of CCIV, which was a great video. If you want to see that, it'll be in my channel if you want to scroll through the videos, or I can leave a link down below. That'll be easier as well. So I hope you did enjoy this video, and leave a like if you did enjoy, and subscribe if you are new to the channel. Thank you so much. And if you just started investing, or you just want free money, go down on the link down below, sign up with a brokerage called Public, and when you sign up, you'll get anywhere up to $50 worth of any stock of your choice. Up to $50 worth of any stock of your choice. $50 isn't crazy, but you know, it's free money. Come on. I got $5 free of Tesla when I signed up with Public. It's great. You could buy fractional shares. It's amazing. Well, they call them slices, but you know, they're fractional shares. So I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep investing, and I'm gonna get that 100+% return this year. And I hope to see what you guys think about your potential returns. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys, and this was Kev's Mindset.